ni enra NDC amanyoko demonstration baso na sese de omodo omo nsem nyina akoto parliament anim se ba bi adru no je mensa ne na pamfo pese obu omo nto mo hwe no mo enkoma asem ne bi emfa ema wunum ebeto dwa se NDC demonstration no a ekoso o mayimu no de ekoso okumase abonten so no e de wantwi beto NDC fo ene aposifo ntem ema machitafo be mienu ne miensa aposifo chi wunum enra ababeto dwa se aposifo eja wunum NPP amanyoko demonstration no so womo ekeka bi e de kire womu nuanom NDC fo semfa so bia eni ne enra wono ekokoye ye no so busua we ni afoforo pinu a ene akekese ne se kase ba bia wo bia no anopaye ba na yede ababesomo OCP Ghana Limited for mo de OCP fertilizers abedwaso mo ene eta yechi anopaye ma ye vimo a ba bia wo bia ne ye ba ne ababesomo ekweni anopaye wa sore na wo kwa akotia hesuo na wakowa fuomu no sefo na wo kwa akoye no wo de anigye ena ebefiri mu aba na gese wo de OCP fertilizers na pete so kane no a na yede fertilizer bia no na yekua no na akwa akoya reho akwa akoye sun ba ye bebre nyina achi no gese no baye no ensumpo ene pese nya bidi akofie sese OCP ba ye akwa akoya nigye nkwanfo onya kakra bi na de pete mfudie no so de wudo bia de wudia bia so no wo de OCP Ghana Limited mo fertilizers no OCP fertilizers pete so a so doso edema say ye bro say mo say eye de wudua bia no wese ode OCP wo fertilizers ni bi na ebepete so your OCP NPK 15 and your OCP NPK 10 wo dwaso a ni nyina ebo adwuma pa ba bia ye tonto agrochemicals ne nyina so no odo ani kire hono mu a OCP fertilizers wo benye bia to upenche wo bia no afre 0555909437 0555909437 and 0555909433 na on mpenimfo edi enkomo womo na ebo mi chidomo bomo dantiama me vemu a baby a wo bia na no pay yetimi abane aba besum wo me din nsesan na ya abo amali bia boga yenye brena finsam no nkomo nkasa emfa emmamo yedemo shas ye de afri ngomasuam na atenaya ehwe omai ngomasua ho nsensam ne atenaya hwe enkrato ho nsensam meche Ministry of Education and Ministry of Communication akabomu a wono akwako bia dwumade bia akozibro ne efe ne se knowledge and skills portal if na eko so opengoma no wakenkane a enye se okwa akoto bi nkunimum ofa computer na so mobile phone no na internet ukoso se credit mu a ngoma bia opese okenkan bia nimde bia opese unya bia no okọ eye enhyehyeye a atraye de atodwa no so a onsa beka na wakenkan ma me esla usu echechemu se dwumadi no ebesi akopa
Cancer pesa in my school and computer labs are across the country for in secondary schools, junior high schools. Yama addition I am Mre. I will be and found baby our memoir. And found so was scanner, scanner, minister. And found so school no a school IGT and school NUT. Baby, I will be a association with memoir. Once I wanted to device one person so textbook here we hear dia education service maybe was that portal issue
Observant we ma me slow sooner yet in Canada no see ya and an new minister no so social ngomasua won sensem so doctor or say ya waduchum so edibi eswaso
wa he any awofo yenim bibia enso he bedura ye nkwala ne ye eso musua de na nso he de wo kwaye a wo pesa wo hwe emfie twa mu no questions be na bae a won so betimi asua ne bia nyame bo a na koba on say ye brand new school no ko transfer na question bia wo hwe ye ba si atro no ani age na afi wa hwe ne kama the sabrede abefo kwanso obetimi akọ afidie so na computer so na phone so na okwa obetimi nya questions aba atwamu yi
John for Mrasbe Jenny or Mrasbe Fima this year war some Chiabaton Persia so Dr. Oseya Waduchum and Yetin and Kane. A fair for Monko NDC Abanyuko demonstration na no enra e baso e wo Omaya Fanena na eno na MPP Abanyuko ni ye say enra the NDC Abanyuko ni ye no emfa so bi edi so 77 preduasa omo enhunya nsasemo a e wo de enra NDC Abanyuko mpenimfo ni NDC Abanyuko chitafo eye ye e wo mayimu ye demonstration editi abato comments and mpenimfo ne voters register no a ye papa ho ne de akwakoto ba afi no national organizer ne opopo adoma no ma NPP amanyoko no mayi mo ye Henry Nana Boache ya dodo na sarmane se na bi no wo kire se he o kai pa se ebra ye papa ho akwakoto ba 2016 mo NPP amanyoko ko ho ntintini e kan voters register ne enyo na so sabre no na NDC fo bubu nu agu omasumu a sabre no ne electoral commission mpanimfo kɔ nakra nante no kyese ɔma amai wonum ene ɔmo ba bi so mu fi semfa so bia ni so voters register no dada no a ene ɔmbetena ho de ato aba no Henry Nana Boache
wa ufie o kwan bi so no teacher ni no e wo fie e wo fidie no so
for me for the New Patriotic Party, this is an unnecessary. This is a fruitless venture. Why do I say so? Look, the Electoral Commission is an independent body established by law. They are firmly rooted. They are well, and these processes we've gone through. Why should we allow any independent private body comments on the third sector with a certain mandate to audit very fundamental of our electoral body? It's an unfortunate, yes, you can always point out something. For anybody to even think or to even suggest that we should allow a certain body, and this is an independent body. Look, if the Electoral Commission itself, through its, I think that they would want to engage. You recall that even in 2016, when we were calling for new voter register, the Electoral Commission put up a committee, listened to our concerns. We did a presentation. It was led by the then campaign manager, Chairman Magmenu.
Observe international organizer no Bobo Adoma no ma MPP amanyoko no Henry Nana Boache na yete nenken nanso ndisi amanyoko no de omonsem nyina se ba bia aduro no omo efise ma meje mensa ne abatoko mensa ne mpanimfo no peso mu buu mu nti omo srada se ba bia aduro de parliament mram na omo meka bi ema wunum Ira Johnson Esiedu Nketia national chairman edema NDC amanyoko no
that they will do the needful. I don't see what the commission or anybody loses by acceding to the demand that we are making. We only want transparency of the electoral process. If you don't have anything to hide, in fact, an audit of the register will vindicate you and help to restore your integrity. Any work that I have done before in my life, the day I pray for is the day when I have the opportunity to demonstrate to the world that I have done the work faithfully.
Observe no chiro no bo Emmanuel Amakofi bu a we MP de ma desia ewo elembele abato empesua so wono so de adesre eto eye empenimfo anim titiru ene abato komisa ne empenimfo anim se bebi omadru no omo de hebrofo omotia ene se abato komisa ne empenimfo ebeti o masem na voters register no a yesensamanfo na agimu ma no womo akwakosiesie apraprem atoto bibia ama voters register na farentuma papa ede efra honorable Emmanuel Amakofi Bua wono so eka NDC chitafo ho ema demonstration ekoso ewato emantem
safeguard our democracy. This work is for the peace and stability of our country. We know that the electoral commission is polluting the people. We are doing everything to stop it. We know that the register is not credible. We ask for an independent audit. We think that is the only way out to assure the people of Ghana of a credible register that will need transparent, credible elections. For the people of Ghana are facing that the electoral commission cannot trust the patience of the people of Ghana.
Fontiwei honorable Emmanuel Amakofi Bua we mrasebe dwani de ma de hye lembela baton pesua so nti demonstration no na ono so de bi eso Esiedu Nketia eso no na enroche minority leader Dr. Kesel Atoba Forsen we mrasebe dwani o mrasebe gefie ma de hye wo adwumako enye ne siem abaton pesua so mtinti mantemu wono so editu gya se de aduro no se electoral commission mpanimfo eyo omo ho se omo nti obi a no omo ye tintintirinti sɛm a ɛne ɔmo bɛhwɛ ama parliament ya fra parliament putuprum ɛma sɛ Jimenso ɔmo bɛsama no ama na ba aba bɛkyekye nsɛm a waba bɛyɛ saa deɛ no Honorable Kesel Atoba Forsen.
NDC minority will immediately convene a caucus meeting and consider the need to recall Parliament to address this issue. We consider this an emergency, and just like my colleague has done in the past, we will do a recall in Parliament to address the very concerns that you have raised. Thank you very much.
Zafona Enweche na lawyer Alexander Afenyoma Kenso ye MP de ma desia ewo futu abaton peso so mfinfin mantemo edom kese e womra se begefiem no wono ene ye kandifo eda no wono soso ede kakra epi ni nua NDC MP ne de so
I believe that this is one of the several ways of reaching out. So I agree with the minority that as a house we may have to look at the issues presented. I encourage
I was on to MP de ma this year where futu abaton peso so MPP amanyuku ni dimono na edi edom kese nanim ewo mrase gefiem lawyer Alexander Afenyoma kenene yete ne nkanom na yeguso adem NDC amanyuku demonstration mo de course wo kumase a ewiase na NDC mpanimfo peso mode nkrata ekoma electoral commission fo a kikiri eba ya twede nyina sun wo mu no chairman de NDC amanyuku no asantema say Augustus na nakwasi de atuga se na eyentiase a ama ewo mo ne aposifo ntem ne kofa asade ne nyina baye na omomrante be mienu miensa aposifo echi wo mu no so one ye kasa enra anwumre ne de na je so mahwe amomagya wo no mu nyina Augustus na nakwasi titire ne de NDC ewo asantema mu
maka chense ogbe ejo mo me ka se ko gbe ejo mo ka ye no mo beta ha ma dia che me ka to se ko gbe ejo ya ko ko le ye no mo beta ha ma dia che no kra o me ja mo amo ma to ede ko fi ye do bi aso bi a wa se ne mre wo NDC hu John Dramani Mahama ho no ye de ye ko pondo bi ase na battle no afiasa ya be shase PPP candidate party akesi omubeka ehuna APP PPP CPP omudoso
Abzafo ntitire ne de NDC amanyoko no wasantema say Augustus na akwasi na yete no enken yentoa so na yeguso a NDC demonstration mo okopo mantemu a titire ne de NDC amanyoko no Mark Oliver Kevo wono so de womadesre to electoral commission mpenimfo anim se voters register no a eno monhwe mo nsisi anye saade a ene de akire ba no ene enyan
a petition on serious fraudulent activities we have uncovered on the voters register, and we have already presented it at your national office. Their response wasn't satisfactory. That is the reason why the people of this country, together with our party, we are here to present to you officially a petition on those illegalities that has happened. So on this note, this is the official
Abzanfonti we Mark Oliver Kevo ye NDC chairman we mantemu George Pariado mrebi atwemo organizer so abedi ekire de NDC amanyuko no on de na de sire nyina ne se bia dro de otumfo mrem oche hene mrem ahemfo no mrem na omo ntena ho ma ne nkonko ya ansa na wono ababeka se ebi NDC fo wono kwano no owura Opariado deni
now additionally akapo send ya wudi ebetidi akwa jinese o de oya de ko my year to try register ni mukete and then we say that there is no way out of mama any kunu na you say I don't know which road. Our first message is to the mentor and the committee. Today we have presented our petition to the EC.
na eno ache na MP de ma de hye waso jama baton pesu asura Thomas Ampem Nyakon esoso ede kakra esoso
see any more infractions, but we are calling on the EC that we want a total audit of all the register, the total register of the EC. That is what will give us comfort. And what we have done here today, if the EC thinks that it is going to be a 9-day wonder, then they are mistaken, because we as NDC have realized that our continuous existence as a party depends on getting a credible register for these elections. We are not going to fold our arms for them to do whatever they like. So Peace Council and Moral Society, if you are really committed to the peace of this country, this is the time for you to speak, not when people are fighting.
Abzafo nti we NDC amanyoko demonstration e course enra apoe mantam de na MP de ma dehia e waso jama baton pesua so na ono so de wahunu e voters register ni mu e won pesua so na oboboso e de ekire ye no abzafo yemfa kase no enko e nwene so number 1 ye wo atwema kwangoma abaton pesua so asantemantama sei na nananom ne adehia e wo nwene so number 1 de atugya se de kakra asumdwe aba nwene so number 1 ne mpotemo ne nyina eye ahensam a sorry a na se adehyibusu ya ne bi kire se we gina ha na we susu gina ne se club ya asante kotoko hene opem so se tutu otoso mienu otumfo enam nana ya behene so ema se de odonfo aya dom amomo enya hemfoforo kra nana Kwame Frimpong abebio ena se wababeye atwema nwene so number 1 ehene a wababedi kronanim ama mpuntu aba enam so mo de adesrato afane nyina anim se omonkamum se yafunu kromu ade na mpuntu emuso ewo nwene so number 1 na emfano ntuma papa emfra na chiame nana kwakuchira maten ena edisansemi etudwa ema nana
mo ensuo nwene nti ena kuro ni dini esesaaye enu nti de ya kan se baabi ya duro no nwene so yenya ye hene so fi se o asem ka ewo akira onkonko bisa ono ankasa ni wura eye asafo hene ana se onko manhia na onko bisa se owotumi se de manhia ka no obesesa no ama ebia baabi a ohene si manhia woto hie ede maaye se asafo hene wodidi kopem bebu na ontra bebu no ene na one asanteman ena enya enye ye nwene so kurodue enye nwene so na mawan ene na enya ontumi so adom emfa makure mu ema oye kire bi nkoso ema basabasa ni hoye bi enkoso enti yasem tiawa ne se ensem a ekoso a aya atesem ya ehemfu bi a wo mo pese kuru no embo no ye ka kira mansan se enwene so wona asomdue enwene
Abzafo nti we eye nwene so number 1 ye wo atwema kwangoma baton pesua so asantemantama sei enanananom de atugya se asomdue aba nti de omo hwe ne mu nyina eye mpuntuo ene jese yeyo eno mo hwe ne mu ewo krum honomo ye gina we su na no pei ensemo ye papa no de babesom no ye de mo asia sei ne asore amoman hina asaso atena se bio e de ade ache bi adwumadi ato amoso OCP Ghana Limited for omo fertilizer OCP fertilizers en ye kamfo de amawo hwani bia no pei okọ afuo mu no wese obeje OCP fertilizer ne bi na eboa pa wo de kakra bi pitomfo de no so a wo de wasase no se ye abom ne abotan so na wo ye kua no kra no a fa OCP fertilizer se pitomfo de no so eso doso ede amount maybe ya tonto agrochemicals ne manyina wo se ope OCP fertilizers ne bi for 0555909437 nenu mo eni enkomo bia ye soso amoman hina so mato so kukuwa ne chinchin fidende ma me azuka ene yakoba jesisi mpremu ene Kelvin nom so ene bo mi chidom midin ede nana ya bo amale bia boga busia fa no peso so no ya saso amama chire bia